Another question po, Chair, sa DBM din. You show a list of last time that you were here, 238 billion worth of available funding in the JA 2026, pati yung continuing appropriations derived from 2025. But upon closer inspection, parang mandaraya yung listahan eh. Dahil kasi yung halimbawa, yung sa DOH, existing program yan with an existing budget. Yung MAIFIP sa 2026, o sabihin natin, 51.65 ang inalat ng Kongreso. Yung unused ng 2025, 7.42. How can the MAIFIP be used to address the problems during the fuel crisis when in fact it's given as hospital bills for indigent patients? Paano naman yun? Parang nanloloko naman tayo sa tao na kunwari may perang ganyan. Ibig sabihin, either, ano ba ibig sabihin? Either magutom kayo sa mga susunod na buwan habang tinatalakay namin o mamatay kayo ng sakit. Ano naman choice yun?
Madam Chair, if we may elucidate further, the identified 238.6 billion refers to existing programs. Now, what has been discussed during the uplift meeting is that we would need a refocusing of the target beneficiaries because as of now, we don't really have additional
I
fund.
think that's not what we're talking about. I think Secretary Gatchalian and the DepDev have exhaustively answered that. Ang tinatanong natin, yung possible sources, yun yung tanong at yun ang listahan na binigay ninyo. Wala kami sa listahan. Tapos na yun. Ang tinatanong natin yung sources, linista ninyo, MAIFIP eh. Ano yun? Kamatayan o gutom?
No, Madam Chair, what we have identified are basically the ayuda portions. So for DOH, it's MAIP. So meaning
But
they
these
will
are
have to
hospital
refocus.
bills. So, ang akin lamang, wag tayo paasa, no? Yung ililista natin, yung makatotohanan, yung talaga makakatulong. At saka yung sinasabi nga na mga augmentation, hindi yan yung discontinued at abandoned. Yung modification mo ay augment lang, dadagdagan lang, lipat-lipat konti. Pero hindi yung abandoned project, discontinued projects, ninatanong ko kanina. Paano na yung mga scholarships na yun, forever na hindi mag-aaral? Paano yun?
Madam